Hey there, Python learners. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring how Python evaluates expressions and what happens when you make a mistake. Errors are part of learning, so let's see how to handle them. Let's go. Expressions are values and operators that Python reduces to a single value. For example, 2 plus 3 times 6. Uh, it evaluates step by step first 3 times 6, which gives us 18, and then 2 plus 18, which gives us 20. And Python keeps simplifying things until it gets to a single value, like what we saw from this expression, 2 plus 3 times 6. Gives us a single value like 20. And but what if you type something Python doesn't understand? Let's try something like 5 plus and then press enter. It gives us a syntax error and says invalid syntax. This error means Python expected something after plus, and it confuses Python. These are syntax error messages, and what they mean is your code doesn't follow Python's grammar rules, like writing a sentence with no verb. Don't panic. Errors won't break your computer, they just stop the program. And to learn more, you can search the error messages online. And let's try something else, something like 2 times 8 or 2 to the power of 8. It works because it's valid Python. Now try something wrong, like 5 plus times 3. It also gives us a syntax error, as you can see. Errors help you learn what's correct and what's incorrect. And okay, great job. You learned how Python evaluates expressions and what syntax errors are. Practice writing expressions like 10 divided by 2 plus 3 and try making an error to see what happens. Okay guys, next we'll dive into data types like numbers and texts. So subscribe and I'll see you later.